How's everybody doing? I just wanted to say how a lot of this stuff it is possible if you work really hard on it. What I mean by that is this welder right here I got for about 200 bucks with basically everything. Dude, just try to get rid of it. It's a Miller 115, so it's not the greatest thing, but yeah, I've never welded before, and there's a tank right there that I got for 100 something bucks, a $40 refill, and so far I made this welding table from scratch from flux wire. Finally got the tank, and I think I'm getting there. So practice, practice, practice. Hopefully, I can start doing a little bit of fabbing here and there, but YouTube basically taught me a lot on how to do all this welding. But just wanted to say how it is possible to learn a lot of this stuff. You get fairly cheap equipment through Marketplace, and once you get that cheap equipment, a quick fix up, and thank goodness I got a Harbor Freight here about a mile away, and I've been using it a lot. But so far I am really happy at the small little bit of result I'm getting. But that's all I got. Peace.